Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to use mix material and create scratch effect with using Octane Render. Right? Okay, see guys, that's my 3D character model. Guys, you can download this 3D character from my website. So now guys, I create simple Octane material, this one, and guys create base material. So guys, go to here and use glossy. Guys, I create glossy material and diffuse. Guys, that's my color. I take dark gray color. See, that's my gray color. And now I go to specular and specular strength change like 0.25. Yeah. And I go to roughness and guys decrease a little bit, increase roughness like this, and float guys take 0.09. Okay, so guys go to index, this one, and index increase like 4. Yeah, right guys, little bit more like 4.2. Yes, better. See guys, that's my base material, so apply on here. Yes, so guys go to Octane and use live viewer window, select drag and drop on left side and click on here. Yes, it's good, right? Okay, so guys, now I go to object and use SDI environment. Yes, much better. And guys, apply all like this. Yes, better. Select and apply. Yeah, right? Okay, so now guys, now I take again material and this time I create glass material, shiny glass. So material type I use glossy. Yeah, and guys diffuse I use white. Yeah, and guys go to specular and specular change same 0.9. Yeah, and index guys I create glass, so I take 1. Yeah, right? See guys, that's my material, second one. And third one guys, I use this time mix material, Octane mix material, this one, and open this material. Yes guys, select this one material, select this one, drag and drop in material 1. Yeah, and select this one glass material, drag and drop in material 2. Right? Okay, so guys apply mix material on object. So apply on here, apply all, and also this one and last one, right? Okay, so now guys, after that I create scratch effect. So open this material, that's my mix material, and click on node editor. Yes, and increase size like this. Guys, right click, select this one, select hierarchy. Yes, right? Okay, so now guys go to here, image texture, drag and drop. Yes, and again image texture. Guys, I have some textures, I show you. See guys, that's my simple scratch texture, this one, right? And guys go to here, select this image texture. Guys apply scratch effect, this one. Yes, and select this one and apply second one, right? Okay, so now guys go on here, this time I apply multiple, this one, select, drag and drop on here. So apply on texture 1 and apply on texture 2, and guys select this one multiple, apply on amount. Yes, see guys, that's my texture, right? And guys I change power and gamma. So select this one texture and power, guys increase like 2, Yes, better. And gamma, guys, decrease like 1. Enter. Yes, guys, little bit increase like 1.5. Yeah. And now guys, go on here, second one, and same 1.5. Yeah. And gamma 1.5. Yes. And closer, guys, close. See guys, that's my beautiful scratch effect, right? And go to render setting, and guys, use direct lighting, and yeah, all is good. See, it's really good, right? Okay, so now guys, I create glass effect. So glass material, and create new octane material, open, and emission, and black body emission check. And guys, use RGB spectrum and take red color. Yes. And surface brightness check. Yes. And guys, apply on glass. Yes, much better, right? Okay, so guys, go to back and set camera angle like this. Yes. Okay, so now guys, I create material for this plane and open. Guys, same glossiness and diffuse. I take black and I go to roughness. Guys, use this one, image texture, and apply flow effect. This one, that's my flow texture. Yes. And apply on plane. Yes, better, right? And guys, you can change also UV like this one, decrease. Yes, right? Okay, so guys, all is good. Scratch is really good. And now guys, go to here and use octane camera and camera check, and select this camera. And guys, go to post processing, enable check, and bloom power I take 10. Yes. And camera imager, enable check, and exposure 0.9 and gamma 0.95. Yeah. And guys, go to saturation to white, I take 0.2. Yes, it's really good, right? So guys, go to here, I create dark background color, so power use 0. Yes. Okay, so before, now I use guys this one, octane light. Yes. And go to here, right guys, that's my light. I show you this one. And guys, select this light, and power I take like 50. And guys, temperature quit full, that's my blue effect. And now guys, copy this light, press Ctrl C and V, and rotate like 90°. That's my side light. And guys, go to up and rotate. Yeah. So guys, I go to here. Yeah, go to up. Yes. Okay, so now guys, go to perspective view, and again I go to camera. Yes, that's really good. And guys, go to here again, octane sky, and take 0. Yeah, much better. And go to back little bit. Yes. And guys, set light, go on back and select this one. Yes, right? Okay, see guys, that's my beautiful material, right? And now guys, I show you how to create second one. Guys, select this one material, that's my octane scratch material, and copy, press Ctrl C and V. Yes. And now guys, select this one, open, Guys, I change diffuse color, diffuse, and open. I take grayish color, light gray. Yes, right. And guys, apply on front one like this, and again, and last one. Yes, see guys, that's my second Iron Man effect with using scratch one, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. My final animation, actually my final effect is complete with using scratch effect. So guys, if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.